We don't have the full repeal of Obamacare.
I guess we can't complain too much here in Southern California compared to the hurricane weather they're getting. You just got in Florida, but we have some pretty strong winds here today. You can see the trees blowing there, and it's very low humidity. This is fire weather. These are the so-called Santa Ana winds. So even though it's seen so far, it's minor compared to what they've gotten in Florida places, but just ask for your thoughts and prayers here for California's potential fire weather.
In this week and in coming weeks. But here we go with Donald Trump and Leslie Stahl on 60 Minutes. Provided that our sound bites work. I don't know the way they treat us. We're not hostile.
No, but can't you deal with
the stupid country for so many years?
Are you willing to get rid of that Western alliance?
No, I like NATO. NATO's fine.
Windy.
But you know what? Want to be Europe. They want us to be Europe. They want us to be Western.
When we get these high winds, we get a lot of palm fronds in the road as well.
That's what they want us. So we should be. There's no way you can get insurance if your house catches fire and then go buy insurance. Nobody's going to sell you insurance once the house is on fire or after it's been robbed. So we're not even talking about insurance, but we are, as far as the general public is concerned. So
Palm tree fell over right there. Over there. The fabric outlet. Trees blowing. Dust blowing. Wow, look at that.
CBS let Trump get away with the same kind of persona and the same kind of
Sandstorm. Wow.
and his rallies. They say Leslie Stahl's interview with Trump is
The real deal.
TV so-called journalists and so
They
forth.
were hitting hard.
And
There too.
there's a little minor correction. In fact, you know what
Talbert.
he said? I don't know if we've got it in the roster.
You're right, Talbert, a lot of branches.
But he said something to her that is
Take another look there.
as honest and true as anything he's ever said. Because I knew Donald Trump. I've known him a long time.
Back by the Dust Bowl right there. All the dust right by the interchange there. Pine trees are pretty sturdy. They're getting tossed around too. Fountain Valley. Only takes a spark to get a fire going. Wind's still blowing. Speaking of the Gosnell movie, I just was listening to Rush Limbaugh, and what I heard one of the callers say is that the movie focused on the fact that Gosnell allowed